Facebook has evolved under MetaPay in 2025, streamlining the process for removing payment methods like PayPal. This guide will show you exactly how to remove PayPal from your Facebook account. The removal process involves navigating through Facebook's settings menu. Let me show you the exact steps you need to follow. First, navigate to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and finally select Payments. This path is consistent across both desktop and mobile versions of Facebook. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll see all your connected payment methods, including PayPal. In the Payment Methods section, you'll see all your linked payment options. Locate your PayPal account from the list of available payment methods. Now comes the actual removal process. You'll click the Remove button next to your PayPal account. Click the Remove button next to your PayPal account. This will initiate the removal process for your PayPal payment method. Facebook may require additional verification for security purposes. You might need to enter your password or complete two-factor authentication. For security, Facebook will ask you to confirm the removal with your password or through two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. There are several important things to keep in mind when removing PayPal from Facebook. First, ensure you have no pending transactions, as Facebook prevents removal if any exist. Second, Facebook retains your transaction history for 7 years for regulatory compliance. Finally, this process works the same on both desktop and mobile, which is important since 98% of Facebook users access the platform via mobile devices. That's the complete process for removing PayPal from Facebook in 2025. The streamlined MetaPay system makes this process straightforward and secure. Before removing PayPal from Facebook, consider setting up alternative payment methods to ensure uninterrupted service, especially if you're an active advertiser. A 2024 study revealed that 67% of small businesses switched from PayPal to direct bank transfers for Facebook advertising, resulting in reduced processing time and lower transaction fees. Removing PayPal enhances your financial privacy by reducing data sharing between platforms. This addresses growing concerns about how personal financial information is shared across different services. Facebook has implemented enhanced security measures, including two-factor authentication for payment method changes and improved fraud detection systems to protect user accounts. EU users experience faster removal processing due to stricter data protection regulations. Regular auditing of connected payment methods and adjusting privacy settings helps maintain control over your financial data.